Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Road Safety Rules. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skills, we are learning how to seek permission. So, before this, in your English for grade 1, you have already learned how to talk to your teacher, how to talk to your elders. So, one of the things we are going to learn today is to articulate, recognize, and use formulaic expressions to seek permission to do something. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nur, verse 28, and if you do not find anyone therein, then do not enter them until permission is given to you. And if you are asked to go back, then go back. This is appropriate for you, and Allah is all-knowing of what you do. Yes, my dear students, beta, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us everything in Quran. This verse is from Surah An-Nur, and this is about there are different situations. One of them is when you go to someone's house and you do not find anyone over there, don't enter in that house until you are given permission. So how do we do nowadays? We just bell at the gate, at the entrance gate, and if someone opens the gate and let us come inside, we should. Otherwise, if you just ring the bell for once, nobody comes, then again, so 3 times do it, and if nobody comes, it means nobody is at home, go back, right? And if someone is there and they ask you, go back at this time, we are busy, we should not be upset. We say, oh, why, we want to come inside? No, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, then go back. This is good for us. This is command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what we learned from this verse, if we want to enter in a house, we should take permission. If we are allowed, we should come inside. Otherwise, we should go back. Right? So this is our today's SLO as well. Before starting learning that, first you tell me, how will you take permission from your parents for going on a trip? You want to go on a trip, how you'll talk to your parents? Pause the video. Answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, my students are smart. You will definitely ask from. Beta, we don't say, tomorrow we have to go to a trip, so I'm going. No, you have to ask. And how do we seek permission? We are going to learn. We should say, may I? Whenever we want to seek permission, we should say, may I go for a trip with my friends or something? Okay? So, this is how we seek permission. What is permission? And from whom do you take permission to do something? So, this is also important. What does it mean? What is permission? And from whom you take permission? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, what is permission? Permission is the action of allowing someone to do a particular thing. This is what the other person do. And what do? We seek permission. Means we ask, can we do this? May I do this? Okay. And if we are allowed, it means we are given permission. Are you clear? Okay. And we take permission to do something from our parents. At home, we seek permission from parents. At school, we seek permission from teachers and whoever elder is around us or from the authority, right? So beta, we whatever, because when we want to do something, first we should ask, can we do this? May I do this? And if we are allowed, then we should do it. Okay, so let's learn it with examples. Asking your teacher, may I go out to drink water? Okay, if you want to drink water, what you will say? You will raise your hand and you will ask your teacher, teacher, may I go out to drink water? How will your teacher reply? Yes, you may. Okay, it means you seek permission and your teacher allowed you. Now you may go to drink water. In other situation, teacher, may I have a break now? Teacher, yes, you may. It means once again, the permission is given to you. In other situation, may I play in the ground? You're asking, teacher, may I play in the ground? The teacher say, yes, you may. It means now you can play. But if your teacher say, no, not this time, what will you do? You will say, okay, teacher, right? This is how better the permission. It is not must that you are asking and you are allowed. Sometimes you are asking and we are not allowed. It means we should not do that thing. All right? Okay. May I open my book for reading? Yes, you may. Enjoy reading. Do it. Okay. So all of you open your book on page number 68. Let's see what examples are given in your book. So one of the student, he is asking for a few things. Can I go to see my friends? Teacher, yes, you may. May I go to drink water? Yes, you may. And may I go to the bathroom? Yes, you may. So beta, whatever the situation is, you should take permission. Seek permission. And how do we do it? We raise our hand when your teacher say yes. Say, teacher, may I go to toilet or may I go to bathroom? Your teacher says, yes, you may. Then you. Okay, are you clear? How do we seek permission? All right, so let's practice it through an activity. What the activity is? Your teacher will call the students one by one in front of the class, and every student will say a sentence to seek permission. So whatever permission you want to seek, say a sentence. And they will make sentences by using the opening phrase. How do we seek permission? May I? So whatever you want to say. May I go outside? May I sit in front of the class or whatever? Okay, so every one of you going to participate. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will make a video asking your parents to allow you to go to a park for playing with your friends. So how will you seek permission for that? You will record it and share it with your teacher. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today? We learned to articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to seek permission to do something. So we achieved our SLO to articulate, recognize, and use formulaic expressions to seek permission to do something. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till the time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.